I've got beans, peas, greens, beans, potatoes, tomatoes, you name it. Be patient, Pam. Be patient. The food is almost ready, okay? Be patient. As you can see, my alter ego Pam is very hungry, so we have to deliver. We will be making a couple of dishes for this Christmas season. I put out a video a few days ago on the best Christmas cocktail ever. If you haven't seen that, there's a link at the top of the screen to help guide you. In this video today, we will be making a very juicy and mouth-watering roasted turkey, a classic Nigerian take on fried rice, which is a staple in every Nigerian home every Christmas holiday. And a couple of side dishes like corn, gravy, mashed potatoes, pepper sauce, just to name a few. Please watch till the end to see the final result. Let's get started. This is a feast for champions, oh. Let's go! So the full menu consists of boiled corns, mashed potatoes, which was made by my brother and a friend, really appreciate that, Nigerian fried rice, roasted whole turkey, pepper sauce, stir-fried halved Brussels sprouts, stir-fried whole baby carrots, and gravy. Sorry I couldn't share all the recipes for the sides on this video. I hope to do that soon. I enjoyed this meal with my family and friends this Christmas. So this is everything I had for Christmas 2023 and it was delicious. My alter ego Pam also enjoyed herself. Well, in the comment section, if you have a name for my alter ego, please let me know what your suggestions are because I'm still trying to figure that out for myself. In the meantime, if you love this video, do not forget to share, like and subscribe to get more juicy, delicious recipes that you can only find on Pam Tracy's Kitchen. Until next time, happy holidays and I hope you have a tremendous new year. Peace, love and light.